Hey, real fast, if your golf cart is locked up and you can't get it into neutral, that's because the golf cart has a motor electric brake and it requires the voltage from the batteries to release it. So if you're going to need to move the golf cart to work on the batteries, or you need to tow your golf cart, what you're going to want to do is flip the switch that says run to tow. You should have already flipped it into tow to work on your batteries, but let's flip it back into tow. And then these little pop rivets, you're going to take a Phillips screwdriver or a pen and you're going to push or indent into the tip of this. Just push down and it should release it. Now this is just plastic, so what you're going to do is you're going to work these out of the three spots here. There's 1, 2, and then third one here. Work these out and then take this lid, I call it the hat, take this lid off carefully, and then what you're going to want to do is flip this over and you're going to see a plug, two plugs, I guess, that are labeled 1 to 2 and 3 to 4. And what you want to do is, I don't want to twist too much stuff here. Okay, so we're going to reverse the sequence. We're going to move 1 to 3 and 2 to 4, and that should release the motor brake. The way you do that is you grab the back of this release clip here and you just gently pull, and they should separate, and then they should separate. And now I'm going to move 1 to 3. And the brake just released. Look at that. Cool. So now you can push the cart and move it around. Just don't forget to reverse. You want to put this back to where it was after you position the cart to where you can safely work on it. Please don't work on your golf cart with it loose, with it wiggling back and forth, especially if you're on an incline.